vocabulary for Unit 1, Week 2. Accomplish. Accomplish. To do something successfully, to complete it. Accomplish. Accomplish. Anxious. To be nervous, worried, fearful, don't know what's going to happen. Anxious. Distracted. Distracted. Drew your attention away from. You're not paying attention. Distracted. Navigate. Navigate. To follow through. Navigate. Assemble. It means to come or bring together. To come together. Assemble. Decipher. To figure out the meaning of something that's difficult. To figure out the meaning of something that's difficult. Decipher. Options. Choices. Options. Retrace. To go back over. Retrace.